Welcome back to another episode of Lolli TV. I'm Elena and I am here to take you through the biggest, baddest, most important Bitcoin news of the week every single week. Brought to you by Lolli, the leading Bitcoin rewards app. We also have fun here on Lolli TV though. We give away free Bitcoin, we rank the hottest memes on crypto, Twitter, Instagram, cyberspace, and we serve up the hottest deals on lolli.com, aka where you can earn the most Bitcoin rewards on your favorite items at your favorite stores. So stay tuned for the good stuff and let's get into it. We hit nearly 24K on Thursday. That's up from a weekly low of just around $20,700. The price moves were driven in large part by the Fed's announcement that it was hiking interest rates again, which we'll talk about later in the episode, as well as some positive earnings reports from a majority of some pretty big tech companies. If you're feeling like you have deja vu, just imagine how Jerome Powell feels. This Wednesday, the Fed announced it would be raising interest rates again. The hike by 75 basis points shows that the Fed is doubling down on tightening policy. Now, the move marks the central bank's fourth consecutive rate increase, a strategy undertaken in the hopes of curbing the highest inflation in more than 4 decades. We'll see how inflation responds, but so far, crypto has taken it pretty well. In big news for small transactions, small crypto transactions may soon be exempt from taxes. A new bipartisan bill introduced on Tuesday by Republican Senator Pat Toomey and Dem Kristen Sinema aims to simplify the use of digital assets for everyday purchases by creating a tax exemption for small personal transactions. Under current law, whenever crypto is used to pay for purchases of any amount, a taxable event occurs. A similar bill was introduced by a different pair of bipartisan senators in February, so we'll see how this one turns out. This week, Chipotle leaned into the phrase, buy the dip, in a big way. Chipotle's new Buy the Dip game will give hundreds of players over $200,000 in crypto rewards, as well as coupons for specific foods priced at a penny. The game is another validator of big-name brands remaining interested, if not increasingly interested in Bitcoin and other cryptos amid the market downturn. See, this kind of dynamic is what makes this bear market different than the rest. Despite downward price moves, interest is not waning. We commend Chipotle for aping into the big dip energy. Here at Lolli, we also love a good crypto game. That's why we built the best crypto game called the Daily Stack. Play it every single day to win up to $100 in free Bitcoin. It's that easy. This week we had some pretty fire memes on Lolli's Instagram. I won't lie, the competition was tough, but I managed to choose one. It was a new winner this week, Tendy's Wall Street Bets. Bear market is over, recession, just Will Smith, is the recession. That's the feels. This week, we have a very exciting new merchant on Lolli, you guys. Costco is now on Lolli. You can officially earn 2% in Bitcoin rewards back on all of your groceries, electronics, household essentials. You guys know the drill. Everything you can get at Costco now comes with 2% back in Bitcoin rewards. Plus, you'll get up to $10 in Bitcoin rewards when you buy a membership at Costco. I mean, I don't know why you're still watching. Activate a Costco card boost. Head to Costco, shop in store with your Links card, and earn today. For this week's giveaway, we are giving away $50 in Bitcoin to one lucky winner. All you gotta do is drop that sats tag, let us know where you're stacking sats this weekend with Lolli, and you'll be entered to win. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It is always a pleasure. I will see you next week or at Costco. Until then, happy stacking.